Hello YouTube, Tim TGY TV. We just left a few minutes ago this place in Port Colborne, Ontario, Canada called Humberstone Speedway. We went there for what they call Dawn of Destruction. It's a bunch of races like enduro races, figure 8 races and stuff. They had a new segment there today and I actually videotaped it, so I'll be posting it with this video. They have these big construction equipments that are like an excavator, and they lined up 3 cars and they just pulverized them, and then we had to vote on, you know, who did the best pulverizing job. So it was probably one of the neatest things I've seen. Very original. It reminded me back in the days when I used to go to see Monster Jam and they had Truckosaurus ripping cars apart, because the one guy had a bucket and then the other guy had a pincher. But I'll just let the video speak for itself, so hope you enjoy it.
Watching both sides here. Peter's getting ready for the monster truck move again, and Matt from Walters Excavating gonna do the same thing in a monster truck at all. So you can make the biggest mess. Here comes Peters. Reaches right through the roof and hood of that minivan. Here comes Matt from Walters Excavating. He picks his up, and look at Peters just ripped the roof off of his and adding to his toy pile. Matt from Walters Excavating smashes down, gets a good look at the minivan, and he will drop it on its side. Now Peters over there continuing to make his car castle once again and drops the shreds of metal. Wow. Ladies are in the chute, ready to go. Final minute of our Construction Crush-Off Championship. Here we go. Big punch. Look at Peters. Dropping it high and hard up there, down at turn 4, and look at Matt. Oh! Now Peters has got the claw. Matt's doing an amazing job with only a bucket here. 50 seconds to go to see who can do the most damage. Peters running over the metal pile. Matt doing a great job with that bucket all alone. Just pulverizing these cars into oblivion. Look at the mess Peter's dealing with down there. He gets the spinorama going. Gonna try and throw one. Woo! 20 seconds. 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now they're in bonus time. I'll give them a few seconds. One more move. Here we go. One more. Let's see what they got. Oh, Peters. He's done. One final shot here. What are they going to do? One final pop for Matt. He drops it to hammer for the last time. Here comes Peters. Gonna try a monster truck it all. What a mess they've made down here. All right, fans, what do you think? Made some quick work of these cars. We'll let Peters finish the lift, and that will be it. Look at the Peters machine. Whoa! All right.
But that was way harder for him to do.
Peters drops it. Matt's done. They're going to get out now and hear your applause. Here we go. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. He's got the big claw. Just picks it up long and big. Here we go. Oh, he's going to stack them. He's gonna make himself a little car castle here. Oh! He's just pulverizing them both. Well, Fran gets his request. That's what Fran wanted. Let's see what Peters can do here. Oh, he's gonna monster truck them. Oh yeah. Let me hear ya. Oh, wow. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. If there was ever a construction crush-off, there it is.
That's awesome.
Peters. Peters showing the massive machine as he takes these cars to task. Now let's see what he can do. Gonna grab all three of them at once. Working on it. He's got two. He's got two, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think of that? Get ready. He's gonna try and throw them. Oh yeah. Make some noise if you like what you see. Let's see if he can make a mess here. Here he goes. Gonna drop it from the top. 21 seconds. Running out of time here. He's got maybe one or two more moves to go here in round number one. Picks two of them up. Here we go. Final shot for Darren Peters. Oh. He's got time for one more run here. One more move. What's he gonna do? Gonna sling another one out of the way. All right, last shot here for Darren Peters. Last shot. Let's see what he can do. He's going to try and throw another one. Oh! Well, how about a fans you like that? I think Darren's having too much fun to stop. Gonna do one final crush. Gonna make mincemeat out of these cars. Here we go. One final shot. How about it for Darren Peters, ladies and gentlemen? All right, I think you guys are gonna vote who does the best job. Whoa. Just beating them up. 2 minutes. He's got 1 minute 40 seconds. 1 minute 40 seconds to do as much damage as he can here. Gonna try and pound them into oblivion. And when we get under 1 minute, the count will start to count down. Minute 20 to go. Can he pulverize them into nothing? Let me hear you make some noise, Humberstone! Oh boy. Look at that. Oh! Steven, you didn't park your car down there, did you? Because you're going to need a ride back to the USA. Oh! Devastating punch as he just annihilates these three cars. Working down there, you see the counter, 49 seconds to go. All right, he's done, ladies